Hello YouTube friends. I've got the chance to do a walk around side by side sort of comparison just to look at the two tractors. It's a 1985 3910. Both of the tractors are running right now. We've been using them on clean up some property. This one's got the 6-foot Bush Hog brand on the back of the 3910. 3910 is a 50 horsepower. See how simple it's built? I really like the sound of this old tractor. It's really been a good one. All right, here's a New Holland. This is the T4 85, T4.85. This is 70 horsepower, I believe. I'm not real sure. It could be 85 horsepower. I believe the engine is a Renault engine. Of course, the old Ford, I think the old 3910 probably has a built-in America. Let's see, is that 4-cylinder? I hadn't even looked at it in a long time. I believe it's just 3-cylinder. Yep, 3-cylinder on the 3910. Real simple tractor, good worker. We're having this T485 is revved up. The computer's kicked in. We think it's got a bad battery in it. The battery's 6 years old. It's acting weird. The computer's doing some weird things. It revs up and that goes to that clean out, burnout for the I guess for the filters, for the diesel filters, the pollution control. The one thing this tractor does really well, it's got this FAE chopper on the back, and that thing will just chop up some stuff, and you need that horsepower on that one. You need at least 70 horsepower, and I think that's an 85 horsepower. Somebody will correct me if I'm wrong. I think T485 means 85 horsepower. So just look at the massive size of this tractor here. Wheels, 4-wheel drive, air conditioning, cab. Then you've got the $5,000 tractor over here. 2-wheel drive, open air cab. Got to have a cushion in the seat because the seat's so hard. Got a good canopy on it. Glad to have that. We put the wire in the back, hog wire, and then the grid wire. It's a 1/2 inch by 1 inch grid wire because the bush hog was throwing limbs and chunks of wood and rocks and everything else up at us. We had an older bush hog that was kind of rusted out, so it was throwing a lot. On these old Fords, we have a lot of trouble losing these balls in here. They come out. They're designed to come out, but we don't want them to come out all the time. All right, that's both tractors sitting here running. We're not going to work them today. We just came out to do some, actually to do some work on that battery. We knew it was bad. We've got to go buy a new one. So we jumped it off, cleaned it up, cleaned up all the cables. Let's see if it's open in the inside. The controls and everything in this thing are really amazing. Now, I don't drive this tractor myself. So I can't really tell you what all these controls are. I'm an old tractor guy. I'll drive it if I need to. Right now there's plenty of other people that want to drive it. I don't believe you'll ever get this one stuck. Not in what we do anyway. They've had trouble with the air conditioner on it. If the air conditioner's not working, you have to try to open everything up. This overhead skylight will come open, and then this back light, this back window will open up, so you can get a little bit of ventilation. Got a little jump seat here. Got some papers we don't need to share. Let's see here. This little jump seat. Starter wire's loose. I wanted to show that. So we have to kind of hold that, pull a little tension on that when we crank that tractor. But it cranks great. Just shut it down and re-crank it. Secure. Push that in. Now the cable's broke, so we had to push it forward by hand. It's in neutral. It's got to be, both sticks have to be in neutral. Then you just crank it. All right. I don't think you could hear that. Oh, we've got the old telephone book under the seat. Prop it up. That's the part that never seems to go bad on it. That's a telephone book, that is. Okay, YouTube. If you like these kind of videos, please subscribe. I would open that hood for you. I don't have enough hands. I'm amazed at how everything is jam-packed up inside under that hood. It's like the new cars. All right, we've got to let you go. Have a great day, YouTube. Hit subscribe. I'll try to get more videos for tractors out here on there. Have a great day.